This former state trooper back in court today, accused of raping a woman last year. News 4's Sydney Batzloff is on the story for us this morning. She was in the courtroom and has more information on what happened today. Sydney.
Allie, today was a continuation of Jarquez Evans' preliminary hearing that started a couple of weeks ago, and the judge ruled that the state has met its burden to move the case forward.
Surrounded by his defense team, Jarquez Evans walked into the courtroom and could also be seen being served papers related to a civil lawsuit filed by the woman accusing him of raping her. But Wednesday's hearing dealt solely with his criminal case. The preliminary hearing started earlier this month with the woman saying she was pulled over by Evans, admitting her license was suspended and begged not to go to jail. She claims Evans suggested sex instead, and she complied out of fear, saying she followed him to a parking lot and they had sex inside her car. Evans' girlfriend at the time, though, says Evans told her something different, that instead the woman followed him and asked him to have sex with her. He said no, but gave in and said the woman gave him a condom, but she claims no condoms were worn.
The issue about the condoms was very huge. You know, she was very graphic in what happened in the car. It's not there. The evidence is not there. I mean, there's no DNA of Trooper Evans in that car.
The defense argued her story was not credible and that she could have stopped following him or could have called for help, also pointing to her criminal history, memory issues, and the fact she contacted a lawyer before police. The prosecution argued that fear of jail can be enough to establish coercion, citing previous precedents like the Daniel Holtzclaw case. Holtzclaw's attorney, Scott Adams, is the same one the woman has hired to represent her in the civil lawsuit. Judge Perry Hudson called the hearing well litigated, noting the potential factors affecting credibility, but said the woman's testimony showing a choice between sex or jail was sufficient to establish probable cause and to move this case forward.
I think he analyzed it well. Low burden, very low burden. That's all it is probable cause. So I fully expected we would be bound over. But I think we showed a lot of weaknesses in this case, and it's not how it's been portrayed.
Evans' formal arraignment has been scheduled for April 29th.